Okay, Isaiah can read at 13 months. Hi. Okay. Ah. Huh? Eyes. Oh. How about this one? Turtle. Okay, wait. Erase natin. Wait. Erase. Ito. Wait, anak. Donkey. Galing nga. Erase natin. Erase. Okay. Yan. Say. Happy. Baby. Galing nga. Wait. Wait, anak. This one. Read. Bubble. Ito. Huh? What is this? Hat. This one. Huh? What is this? Huh? What is this? Cat.
What does the cat say?
Galing mo, ah. Say. Elbow. Those. Wait. Say. Hands. Where's your hands? Where? Huh? What? What is this? What?
What's that? What does it?
Tiger.
What does the tiger say? What does the tiger say? Yeah.
Ito.